आकाशवाणी इम्फाल लांथोक्चरी खोंगजोम नुमित थौरमगी अखनबा पावगी सक्तम मणिपुर दंगसी खोंगजोम नुमित थौरम पांगथोकली इंग कुमजा लिसिंग मचनिपान मरबुद्रा माथोइगी एंग्लो मणिपुर वारदा ब्रिटिश का खोंगजोम द सौनखिबो लानफमदा लेखिद्रबा अथौबसिंगबु निक्सिंगदुना नुमित असी पांगथोकपनी राज्य सरकार ने सिंधुना मपुंग ओइबा थौरम थौबाल जिला की खेबसिंगदा लेबा खोंगजोम वार मेमोरियल द पांगथोखी राज्यपाल अजय कुमार भलाना लुसिंगदुना मियामना निंगसिंग खुबम अदुदा मरैबा किदमक मथवाई कटखरबा अथौबसिंगी मफमदा लई कटखी गार्ड ऑफ ऑनर जनरल सैल्यूट रिवर्स आर्म्स लास्ट पोस्ट खोंगदुना अमदी मिनिट अनि तुमिन लेप्तुना लैखिद्रबसिंगी मफमदा इकाई खुमनबा उठखी
समाधि को सलामी देगा सलामी सत
मधुगी तुंगदा पौना ब्रजबासेगी मितमदा लई कटखी अमसुंग गन सैल्यूट पीदुना इकाई खुमनबा उठखी
खरे खरे एक राउंड भर पेश कर फीवर पेश कर फीवर
तुंगदा खोंगजोम तुरियलदा तरपन कटखी
खोंगजोम तरपन कर्म करिष्यामि ओम विष्णुम तत्सत् अद्यो भारत खंडे अर्धवटंतर्गतैक देशे मणिपुर नगरे खोंगजोम तीर्थस्थाने भौगवतारे शिव परिवत्सर नाम संवत्सरे शुभ वैशाख मासे कृष्णापक्षे दशम्यां वासरे देशजातीनां अक्रमणाय युद्धे मणिपुर राज्यस्य दुःखानां मरणानां सुराणां पौनव्रजभासी शिलेंसनाय कोइबत्रों थामियाय सुल्लाप आदि टीकामनाय तैरीके तद्वेतत् ताम्बूल फलमूल सल्तिरो ओम पिता स्वर्ग पिता धर्म पिता ही परमं सपतितरी पन्ने प्रियन्ते देवता ओम विष्णु तर्पणं समर्पयामि
खोंगजोम तुरियलदा तरपन कटलब तुंगदा राज्यपाल अजय कुमार भला अमसुंग चीफ सेक्रेटरी प्रशांत कुमार सिंहना संकीर्तन खुरुमखी थौरम मफमदा जातिगी इसै सक्तुना इकाई खुमनबा उठखी थौरमदुदा वा ngangbada राज्यपाल अजय कुमार भलाना हाई खोंगजोम लानसी सुमनगी खुलाई खक्तगी लानते लानसी लेबाकी इकाई खुमनबा ngangnabagi soknakiba lanni.
Today in Manipur we are commemorating Khongjom Day, which has changed the course of history in Manipur. This day, the 23rd of April, is a tribute to those brave sons of Manipur who had sacrificed their lives in the Anglo-Manipur War of 1891. The Battle of 1891 still echoes in the heart of every Manipuri with a pride that Manipur fought a war against the mighty colonial power. Despite the predictable defeat, the brave warriors of Manipur fought back relentlessly against the British Empire for their independence. The Battle of Khongjom was not just a battle of arms but it was a battle for honor, patriotism and self-determination. Our forefathers stood firm in defending the sovereignty of Manipur despite being faced with the formidable might of Britishers. The indomitable spirit of the people of Manipur remains a unique history of patriotism in the world. As we remember our fallen heroes today, we must also look forward to the future. The history of Khongjom is not just a reminder of our past struggle, but a guiding force for our youth to build a spirit of nationalism, progressive development, and prosperous Manipur. It's our collective responsibility to uphold the values of unity, resilience, and self-reliance that our ancestors fought for. Over the past months, efforts have been undertaken to restore a sense of normalcy, ensuring that Manipur moves forward on the path of peace, stability, and inclusive development. Recognizing the need for a secure and harmonious environment, steps have been taken to encourage dialogue between communities, foster trust, and reinforce public confidence in governance. One of the most crucial aspects of this journey has been the emphasis on disarmament and restoring law and order. My appeal for voluntary surrender of arms has given encouraging results. This is an effort that reflects the collective will of people to build a safer and more progressive Manipur. Besides, we are now undertaking search operations, area domination, so that the security forces in the fringe and vulnerable areas of the Hill and Valley districts of the state ensure that no further incidents of violence take place. During these operations, even people involved in illegal extortion activities and rumor mongering have also been arrested, taken into custody, illegal arms have been recovered, and we hope that we will definitely progressing toward a total peace in the state. I appreciate the efforts of security personnel of the state for ensuring the safety of citizens. The state has been working to improve the rehabilitation of internally displaced persons residing in various relief camps. Step on the implementation of Hunar Se Rozgar, which is the Government of India initiative under the Tourism Ministry to provide them employment opportunities, and especially for the IDPs, initiative aims to impart skill development, training, and to ensure feasibility of jobs in private sector. Manipur has always been a land of unparalleled beauty, rich traditions, and vibrant history. It has a distinct identity, starting from its exquisite handlooms, handicrafts, to its unique culture. However, identity alone is not enough. We must strengthen our society with education, innovation, and social harmony. Among the many fronts where progress is being made is one that shines particularly bright is our commitment to environment conservation and sustainable development. Under the Prime Minister's initiative of Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam campaign, state has planted numerous plants. We have taken steps to improve the management of State Orchidarium located at Khongjom Park, Imphal, West, to promote ecotourism and conservation of endemic, endangered and rare orchids. Let's also work for employment generation using non-timber forest produce and livelihood programs under Green India Mission. Awareness activities and cleaning drives have been carried out in Senapati River under the Clean Senapati River campaign. Several infrastructure development initiatives have been taken and the progress has been reviewed in the recent, including the newly commenced works on construction of district and session court buildings, Churachandpur, newly commissioned court complex at Thokchom. Manipur has progressed in its health infrastructure too, with recently established dialysis unit at the Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences. Meanwhile, 1 lakh individuals have been screened under the initiative of 100-day TB program. We have done so well that we got an award for this. Elimination campaign across 6 districts of Manipur is under launch since 7th of December.
थौरम अदुदा सरुक याखिबा मणिपुर के चीफ सेक्रेटरी प्रशांत कुमार सिंह ने हाय
It is with a deep sense of reverence that I stand before you today to commemorate Khongjom Day. Major Pawana Brajabasi, Chinglen Sana, Khongjom Major, Lotongba Jamadar, and many more made the supreme sacrifice in the battle to protect its freedom. In the aftermath of the war, 5 Manipuri leaders, namely Yuvraj Tikendrajit, General Thangal, Niranjan Subedar, Kajao Singh Jamadar, and Chirai Naga, were hung to death. 22 freedom fighters, including Kulachandra Maharaj, Chaukami Naga, and Gauhau Naga, were also deported to the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. To honor Manipur's valiant resistance against British rule during the Anglo-Manipur War, Mount Harriet was officially named Mount Manipur. As we gather today to pay tribute to the brave souls, let us remember the sacrifice for the freedom of Manipur and reflect on our enduring responsibility to uphold our rich heritage and traditions. Let us all, as citizens of India, pledge to rededicate ourselves to uphold the unity and integrity of our country.
अथौब सिंहबु सैथादुना खोंजोम पर्व सकपना थौरमगी मगुन हापखी तुंगदा रूमहल थिएटर न सानाबा खोंगजोम लान कोबा ड्रामा उत्पना थोरमदुगी थोइदोक सकतम ओइखी
Shasha, no question on Sidina Ranga, hello. I am a young man now. I do come for a color to Chico. If I remove from a minute.
खोंगजोम नमित थौरम यावबो लाखिबा मियोय अमा
ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯡ ꯊꯣꯛꯆꯣꯝ ꯃꯍꯤꯅꯤ ꯗꯦꯕꯤ ꯈꯥꯡꯕꯣ ꯃꯩꯔꯥ ꯄꯥꯏꯕꯤ ꯂꯨꯀꯤ ꯖꯣꯏ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯔꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯄꯨꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯣꯝ ꯗꯦꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯒꯠ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯇꯝꯕ ꯐꯪꯖꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯖꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯇꯥꯕꯗꯁꯨ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯤꯟꯕ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯁꯅꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯍꯩꯁꯦ ꯊꯝꯖꯕꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯇꯪꯗꯨ ꯂꯩꯇꯥꯕ ꯏꯪꯅ ꯆꯤꯛꯅ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯣꯝ ꯗꯦꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯇꯨꯡ ꯀꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯠꯊꯕ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯁꯅꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯍꯩ ꯈꯔꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯝꯖꯩ
मतंग असिदा आकाशवाणी इम्फाल की पाउ कांगबुने पुथोकपा खोंगजोम नमित थौरमगी अखनब पाउगी सक्तम लोइजरे अईबा मुसुंग पुथोकपा थोकचोम जोगेंद्रजीत खोमजिनबा सोइबम बिनोय तेंगबांगबा थोकचोम बारुन लिजखिबा माइबम दिजमनी